Learn how to declutter your house with these quick tips and tricks. Let's go. Hey, if you don't know me, my name is Cristal Garcia, and I am a listing broker here in southern New Mexico with Exit Realty Horizons in Las Cruces. Today, you are watching this because you are starting to wonder if one, the stuff in your house might fall on top of you, two, you are maybe possibly a hoarder, or three, you are planning to sell your house and you need to clear the space. Well, I really hope it's not one or two, but I can certainly give you some tips on how to get this done, especially if you are gearing up to sell your house. Tip number one, go through your closets. I just did this the other day. I do have to admit it was a little bit painful, but by the time I got it done, I honestly did not even miss the items I gave away. So go through your closets, start getting rid of the items that you haven't worn in a while. You know, the pieces of clothing that don't fit you and that you've been keeping around as motivation. But honestly, guys, just looking at them is depressing. For now, let's just focus on getting decluttered. Same with shoes, same with bags, backpacks, belts, jackets, etc. Grab a box, go through each closet, take one full day. So don't overwhelm yourself. Put all these boxes in your car and go drop them off at the donation center. This is a very important step. Do not procrastinate. Just declutter. Again, box it, drive it, drop it off, same day, be done. Don't just put the boxes in a corner because they'll be haunting you and stressing you out until the day you get rid of them. So just do it the first day. Declutter, box it, get rid of it. Let's move on. Tip number two is clear away toys, pet items, or hobby items. These are some of the most tedious items, I would say, because we usually find them all over the house, especially toys and pet items, right? I have pets. I know what I'm talking about. But again, don't overwhelm yourself. Make this task a part of another day. Okay, so closet one day, this is another day. And same tactic, just as you decluttered your closets, go through those toy boxes and get rid of those broken toys that have been sitting in there waiting to get fixed. It ain't happening. Adulthood is too busy. Yes, I know you have good intentions, but the goal right now is to declutter. So just grab items that are broken, throw them away, box those that have been outgrown or ignored for a while. Keep most of the important items on hand, but neatly stored away so that there is plenty of fun to be had, but easy to keep up. As far as your hobby items, I am going to recommend you just go ahead and box all of those away and store them away with your moving boxes wherever you're going to keep that. Selling a home is no joke, guys, and it takes a lot of work. And believe me, you won't have time to do any of these hobbies during the sale of your home. So let's be realistic and put those hobby items away so that you don't lose anything in the move and you have less stuff to worry about when the time comes to pack up. Tip number three is declutter your kitchen. This is a big one, guys. Potential buyers love to see a nice, open, clean, clutter-free kitchen. So if you have a lot of kitchen gadgets and appliances, then yeah, it is going to be time to minimalize your kitchen and only keep the essential items to help you cook while you're still living there at the house while you're selling your house. Also tidy up your drawers and don't forget your cupboards. Now this is going to be a big item here for those parents that love to keep their kids' stuff on the fridge. Yep, I'm talking about removing all the magnets you have on your fridge, all the artwork, maybe some vouchers you have on there. This step is going to pair up nicely when you start depersonalizing, which I will talk about in another video. Here's a really good idea that I heard from my sister. I think it was my sister. Well, here's a quick little idea. Take a picture of their artwork and then either store it or throw it away, whatever you choose, and make a picture book out of it. That way you have like one cool little book that you can always have stored away, but it's all neatly put in this one book. Tip number 4 is going to be storing away furniture. Let me ask you this. Have you ever been to a model home and as soon as you walk in, the entry is clear, the space feels huge, and there isn't much to trip over, not a bunch of furniture that you have to like maneuver around. The shelves are simple with neutral colors, neutral decor. The intention here is that you want to give potential buyers the feeling that they are looking at their new home with a lot of space for them to visualize themselves in without their daydreaming to be interrupted by clutter. If you have maybe 2 or 3 different couches, then remove 2 and keep the one that is going to best show your house while you're selling it. If you have bookshelves upon bookshelves with stuff just packed into them, then it's time to get those put away, stored away, items donated, whatever you gotta do to get those rooms feeling very spacious and big. This is also gonna help you guys when it comes to your move, because nobody likes to move big pieces of furniture, right? 1, you could hurt yourself, you could hurt your back. 2, it'll take you longer to pack and unpack. And 3, it's going to cost you a little bit more to rent a bigger moving truck or having to do multiple trips if you're moving locally. So please do yourself a favor and start getting rid of all this stuff, all these items that you just don't use. You know exactly what I'm talking about, especially those large pieces of furniture that you don't need to have. Tip number 5, invest in totes and get your decluttering in order. So this is going to be the last tip I have here for you guys, but it is actually the first one you should be thinking about. You're going to need to invest in some good durable totes and some moving boxes to store away the items that you're going to keep. I highly recommend medium-sized ones, not too big, because those can be extremely heavy for one person to pick up, and I don't want you getting yourselves hurt, all right? Sometimes grocery stores and other big name brand stores like Walmart, maybe Best Buy, Staples, Office Max, Albertsons can help. You just need to stop by, speak to the manager, and ask if they have any extra boxes that they're thinking of getting rid of that maybe you could have. That is definitely going to help cut the cost of the decluttering process. And that concludes my video for today. That is all I have for you guys. If you have any questions regarding this video, please put them in the comments below. And if you are in Southern New Mexico and you're needing to sell your house, give me a call. My full contact is going to be in the description box below and also at the end of this video. And for my fellow realtors, referrals are always welcome. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.